Hi guys, let's take a look at beginner knee pit grips. Your points of contact will be the inside and the outside of the back of the knee. We'll look at 3 different grips. First is a full knee pit grip. In a full knee pit grip, the knee pit is in line with the hip, allowing for full contact. The second grip is an outside grip. In this grip, it's helpful to place the knee above the hip and then push the leg down towards the floor. The last grip is an inside knee pit grip. Just like the outside grip, it can be helpful to place the knee above hip level, then reach the foot down towards the floor to lock you into place.